Hello, I'm here with Foyin. We are going to do test route number 9. She picked the number and we're prepping. We're doing a mock test for her test in a few days. So wish her luck and we'll discuss the... Should we discuss the mistakes at the end? If there are any? Yeah? Alright, cool. When you're ready, we're going to go. And we're following the test routes app, yeah? Leave my little book open.
Got to double check.
You want to finish roadside, yeah. You want to finish looking roadside. Okay. Why is it saying 1 minute now?
No, it's not good on that side. Damn, they blocked me in.
And it's green.
Yeah, it's green now. Pedestrians are now crossing.
Oh yeah, let's lock our doors just for safety. I always remember when someone walks past the car and I'm like, oh yeah, we should lock the doors. You never know.
Okay, that white car. We'll go after that.
Okay. It's on and off. Some of them it is, some of them it isn't. If you're not sure, just let me know, I'll tell you where we're turning. But it's the white line is where we're turning, yeah? So we're going to go left at this way system.
Sticking out. Gosh.
Turn left onto Plaster Lane.
It's on good. Like me, no, it's fine. I've turned it up, the heat up a little bit. Is that right?
Yeah. Right onto Rodway Road.
So we're going to go right onto Rodway, which is
this one.
Yeah. Cold hands means warm heart. That's what they say.
Bear right onto Rodway Road.
I'm always cold too, to be fair. But it's hot in the car today. Because the road just goes wrong.
Yeah, I was trying to follow the pen.
Continue for a half mile.
Trying
This is a completely different way to where we've been before, isn't it?
Yeah. This is like back roads.
When it's safe to do so, can you switch on your rear demister for me, please?
Okay.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Tweedy Road.
Okay, that's the front.
Well done. Now I'm going to ask you to pull up on the left, please. Anywhere safe. Okay, thank you. You happy with this gap?
It was a little wide, it could have been close.
Little wide, so because you started early, look, you could have just rolled forward and...
Well, I would have
Get
been near
yourself.
the junction though.
No, you're fine.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
why I didn't.
No, you're fine. So let me show you. If you're going to drive, and then just roll forward. So you literally just want to stop just after that little driveway and pop your signal on.
Oh.
Left, exactly. Roll forward. That's it. Straighten up, straighten up, straighten up. And then you're just rolling forward to that next bit there. And pop your signal on so everyone knows what you're doing. Do you see?
Yeah.
So then if you stop here, you're not at the junction. You're at the driveway, but you're nice and
okay.
close. Do you see?
Oh, yeah.
Because you started early. All right, when you're ready, we'll move off. I know what you mean. If the space is tiny, then okay, but it's quite a long stretch, so you're good, yeah?
Turn left onto Tweedy Road, 821.
At first, I thought there was 2 lanes because that car's really
A bit to
right.
the right,
I was
yeah.
like trying to look at the floor because I was like, what is?
Yeah, I know.
But it's just, oh, you can only turn left. But
Yeah.
I still have my signal on. Let's give way. There's no one.
Good done.
Continue on 821 for a half mile.
When you pass, what's going to be the song that you play in your car? Are you a singer or?
I'm not even sure. I don't know, maybe some Afro beats.
Yeah, can't go wrong with Afro beats.
But I feel I'm just gonna be one of those silent drivers for a long
For a
time.
long time.
And then when I get comfortable, 5% volume, then up the volume each time.
To be fair, I have my music loud-ish, but I always turn down the volume when I'm parking because I need to concentrate. Yeah. But not anymore. I'm old now, so everything's too loud for me. But before, I have loud music.
shape of. I was like, what? Okay.
Oh, this is this is confusing. But we're going right here. Yeah.
I was thinking the shape of the road. I was thinking I had to. Yeah. Oh.
It's basically telling people to do a U-turn. The app's not perfect. It needs needs some readjusting. But it's right turn here. So the audio was correct, but the map needs to be altered. So this blue line here needs to be going there. Do you see what I mean?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Oh God, I'm in the wrong lane.
No, you're good. You've done well. You're good with the lanes, the 2 lanes. You're good at staying left.
Make a right U-turn onto Masons Hill, 821.
Now it's changed.
Then, in 200 feet, turn left onto Masons Hill. In 800 feet, turn left onto Westmoreland Road.
So everything goes back to normal here. Sat-nav's all good.
Turn left onto Westmoreland Road, B228.
Oh snap. Oh my gosh. The filter light was on. I'm like, let me check my mirrors. Do something like completely forgetting that there's a light. Oh gosh. I need to take that a bit slower. Okay, luckily no one was behind me.
Turn right on to Queen Anne Avenue.
It's flashing me.
Continue for 1 mile.
They're all happy with you. They're all saying thank you.
Oh, that one was far away, but I assume this is 20 because there's houses.
Is it?
Is it not? There's no road speed bumps.
So what do you reckon it
it's
is?
30.
Yeah, it's 30. But like you said, you'll adapt it to the environment. 20 is a bit slow though.
Yeah.
What about?
We can go with that space. Yep.
So when you're progressing, see you're like 22, 25, do you see?
Yeah.
So when it's spacious enough, you're about 25. But we just adapt it to the environment. That sign as well is a clue when it's 30, because it says
when the
20
light
when the
is
light's
flashing.
shown. Yeah. So when the lights are flashing, it's 20, but otherwise it's 30. Yeah.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Shortlands Road.
When it's safe to do so, can you pull up on the left again for me, please? Somewhere safe.
Have I gone too close? Yes, I did.
No, you're fine.
Oh.
You're good.
The road was bumpy.
Mhm.
Oh, because it was like a drain, so it
Yeah.
was dipped.
Good. In the shade, good choice. Okay, when you're ready, move off, please.
I'm gonna wait for the van.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to panic and then jolt out. I'd rather be comfortable. Oh, okay.
Turn right onto Shortlands Road. Then, in 300 feet, turn right onto Bromley Road.
My days, I saw this route on YouTube. I was like, I hope she takes me here because there's a box. Oh,
You
my
manifested
days.
it. Well, you
Yes.
chose the route yourself, actually.
Because you have to, if there's a queue there, you have to make sure the thing is moving before you enter that box.
Turn right onto Bromley Road, 8222.
Because I was like, I hope I know what to do if I'm ever there. Oh my gosh.
There you
And there's
go.
a box under here too.
Yeah.
Is it clear? Yeah, it's moving so I can go. Right.
Continue on 8222 for a half mile.